Hello everyone, welcome to Hacker Associate. In this case, we are learning how to perform automated scan regarding I2C, which is inter-integrated circuit. So automated scanning using bus auditor. So you can see in this case, all channel. Okay, if you see in this area, right, these are all channels. You can see I connected here down the side. You can see in this case, this pin is basically voltage. So I left that pin. You can see I'm a little bit zooming this one. This is basically the voltage. I'm not scanning, and rest, okay, you can see the last part is basically a ground one. This is ground. We just connected, okay, to ground here in this board, and all channels, okay, we are scanning, and we successfully identified like the ground pins as I mentioned. And here this is the output, ultimate output, which we can see the pin number 3 and pin number 4. I mean channel number 3 and channel number 4. We channel number 3 and channel number 4 we have a SDA. For more information, I'm going to explain again the classroom sessions.